Hi everyone, it's Kim with Vegas on a Dime. We are back in Las Vegas. It is January 2026 and we're staying at the Paris in a Versailles Tower balcony room. As you can see here, we have a 2-queen bed room. We luckily got this comp for 2 nights, so feeling pretty pumped about that. We have a view here of the Strip and the Eiffel Tower. And then just to the side here, we have a chair and a table. I will show you the balcony afterwards. These are good size rooms. As you know, it used to be the Jubilee Tower of the Horseshoe. There is a little credenza here for your things, a good size TV. The safe is here in the bottom drawer if you were looking for it. No personal fridge, but there is a mini bar with some overpriced items. Nothing much here in the closet. And then over here, there's just a mirror. And then a nicely renovated bathroom. I believe they did a really good job on this Versailles Tower. I really like the renovation. We've got a single sink with a lighted mirror and some amenities. In the original rooms, they forgot to put in a shelf in the bathroom for your toiletries. Sorry, a shelf in the shower. Looks like they've rectified it here with a small one. They also do have some amenities on the wall for your personal use. For those that like rooms near the elevator, this one won't work for you. You do have to walk to the end of the hallway, given that it is a balcony room, which I'll show you right now. So the fountains went off recently, so unfortunately they're not going off now, but I will put a video at the end showing the fountains. They were really loud. You could hear the music perfectly. So if you guys like my videos, I'd love if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Also, I'm over on Facebook. My page is called Vegas on a Dime. We talk everything Las Vegas and other tourist destinations. Lots of tips and tricks to save on your travels. I'd love to have you over there as well to follow along. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.